Every home needs a set of reliable tools. Whether it's fixing, cleaning, or building, the right tool saves time, money, and frustration. Today, I'll show you 10 essential household tools that every DIYer and homeowner should have. Let's dive in. Number 1. The ATOL's plastic welder stands out as a practical solution for repairing damaged plastic components. Cracked bumpers, dashboards, lamp holders, and even household items can be reinforced quickly using the included hot stapler system. Heating is rapid. Within 1 to 2 seconds, the staple reaches working temperature, allowing smooth insertion into plastic without burning through. A built-in light improves visibility during repairs, especially in low-light areas, such as under a car dashboard. 6 different staple types provide flexibility for flat surfaces, corners, or curved sections, while stainless steel construction ensures durability and resistance to rust. The ergonomic rubber handle offers a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. With a compact carry case and a wide assortment of staples, the kit is portable and ready for multiple repair scenarios. This tool effectively restores broken parts, extends their service life, and provides reliable strength against shock and twisting forces. Number 2. The DNA Motoring 8 pieces T-handle hex key set provides strength and stability for a wide range of repair and maintenance tasks. Constructed from heat-treated CRV steel, each wrench is resistant to wear and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting durability. The set includes multiple SAE sizes, covering common needs from 3/32 inch to 3/8 inch, making it versatile for different applications. The ergonomic T-shaped design offers a non-slip grip, allowing comfortable use and improved torque. A short handle option makes it easier to reach screws, positioned in deeper or tighter spaces. For organization, the set comes in a customized storage case with clear positioning and a lock design to keep tools secure. Suitable for automobile repair, machinery maintenance, home projects, and office equipment adjustments, this kit adapts well to diverse environments such as garages, warehouses, schools, and workshops. Reliable construction and thoughtful design make it a practical addition to any toolkit.
Number 3. The Hodo 40-piece toolkit delivers a complete solution for everyday household repairs and DIY projects. 14 essential tools combined with 26 accessories create a versatile set suitable for furniture assembly, home maintenance, and creative builds. The standout feature is the smart electric screwdriver, offering 3 torque modes with both electric and manual operation. A ring LED light ensures visibility, while the 2,000 mAh battery supports extended use. The premium bit system includes high-hardness S2 steel bits in short and long sizes, supported by a magnetic quick lock, flexible shaft, and extension rod for reaching tight angles. Ergonomic design enhances comfort, with non-slip grips, a self-locking tape measure, shock-absorbing hammer cover, angled hex keys, and a safety blade lock utility knife. Organization is simplified by a compact case with custom foam slots and secure latches, keeping tools accessible and protected. Durable construction and thoughtful design make this kit a reliable household essential. Number 4. The Hologme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit offers a practical way to improve dryer performance and reduce fire hazards caused by trapped lint. Designed with 304 stainless steel wire, the brush flexes around bends up to 90 degrees, making it effective for reaching difficult areas. Thick bristles scrape away stubborn buildup, while the solid wood handle provides comfortable control during extended cleaning. This 2-pack set works seamlessly with vacuum cleaner accessories, removing lint, dust, and pet hair from dryer vents, exhaust ports, and under appliances. Beyond dryer maintenance, the brushes are versatile enough for cleaning furniture gaps, air conditioning units, and pet areas. Operation is straightforward. Simply push and pull the brush into the lint trap to reach deep sections and clear debris. Durable construction, ergonomic design, and multifunctional use make this kit a reliable addition to household cleaning supplies, helping extend appliance life and maintain safety. Number 5. The Amazon Basics 173-piece General Household Hand Tool Set provides a comprehensive selection for everyday repairs and maintenance tasks. With 8 combination wrenches, a 3/8-inch ratchet wrench, 22 hex keys, slip joint pliers, long nose pliers, and many additional pieces. The set covers a wide range of common household needs. Each tool is crafted from heat-treated, chrome-plated alloy steel, offering strength, durability, and resistance to corrosion. Non-slip plastic handles enhance comfort and control, making extended use more manageable. Organization and portability are supported by a sturdy blow-molded case, which secures tools in place and prevents loss. Measuring 16.89 by 12.68 by 3.35 inches, the case is compact enough for convenient storage while still holding a large assortment of tools. Designed for versatility and reliability, this set serves as a practical foundation for home projects, furniture assembly, and general repairs, ensuring readiness for a variety of situations. Number 6. The Matchmax 68-piece ratcheting screwdriver set offers a versatile solution for everyday assembly, repair, and maintenance tasks. Combining a heavy-duty ratchet driver with a precision kit, the set includes 55 commonly used bits, Phillips, slotted, hex, and star, along with 9 sockets, making it suitable for furniture assembly, electronics repair, and household adjustments. The 3-way ratcheting system provides forward, reverse, and lock settings, enabling continuous fastening without repeated lifting, which reduces wrist strain. An ergonomic, anti-slip TPR handle ensures maximum torque transmission, particularly useful in tight spaces such as computer cases or engine compartments. All bits are crafted from industrial-grade chrome vanadium steel for durability and wear resistance. A magnetic tip secures screws firmly, preventing loss during delicate work. Precision bits are included for electronics, watches, and small devices. Packaged in a sturdy impact case, the set remains organized and portable, serving as a reliable all-in-one toolkit for varied repair needs. Number 7. The Homeowner toilet plunger and bowl brush combo combines 2 essential bathroom tools in a compact, space-saving design. The toilet brush features an S-shaped bristle head that reaches under the rim and into tight corners more effectively than traditional circular brushes, ensuring thorough cleaning. The heavy-duty rubber plunger provides strong suction, fitting tightly against drains to clear stubborn blockages in toilets, sinks, and showers. Durability is enhanced by galvanized iron bolts at the handle connection, offering resistance to breakage, rust, and daily wear. A built-in drip tray with ventilation keeps both brush and plunger dry, reducing odors commonly associated with bathroom cleaning tools. Stability is maintained by a base that prevents tilting or falling, while the ergonomic extended handle improves efficiency and comfort. Compact dimensions allow the set to be discreetly stored behind the toilet, making it suitable for small bathrooms in homes, apartments, or dormitories. Number 8. The Zuya 11 pieces deep spiral bolt extractor kit provides a reliable solution for removing damaged or stubborn fasteners. With 11 sizes ranging from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch, along with a 9mm extractor rod and 3/8 inch hex adapter, the set covers most common bolt and nut dimensions. Each piece is crafted from high-strength CRMO steel, offering durability, hardness, and resistance to corrosion under heavy torque. The deep well design, measuring 2.6 inches, allows access to narrow spaces and recessed bolts, while aggressive spiral flutes deliver maximum gripping power for extracting rusted, rounded, or frozen fasteners. Compatibility with 3/8 inch square drivers and hex adapters ensures versatility across hand, air, or power tools. Packaged in a sturdy toolbox, the kit remains organized and portable. Suitable for automotive repair, household projects, construction, and industrial maintenance, this extractor set serves as a dependable addition to any repair toolkit. Number 9. The folding hand saw combines portability with reliable cutting performance, making it suitable for both outdoor and household tasks. An 8-inch high-carbon steel blade with aggressive staggered teeth delivers fast, precise cuts across wood, branches, PVC, and other materials. The triple-cut serrated edge ensures smooth operation, reducing effort during pruning or construction work. Safety and comfort are supported by an ergonomic curved handle with a non-slip rubberized grip, designed to minimize hand fatigue and prevent accidental contact with the blade. A secure gear lock mechanism keeps the blade firmly in place while cutting and locks it safely when folded, enhancing both usability and storage. Measuring 17 inches when extended and only 9 inches when folded, the saw fits easily into backpacks or toolboxes, making it practical for camping, hiking, gardening, and survival situations. Durable construction and versatile design establish this folding saw as a dependable multi-purpose cutting tool. Number 10. The LL&DI 48-piece mini socket ratchet wrench set provides a compact yet versatile solution for precision repair and maintenance tasks. The set includes metric shallow sockets ranging from 4 mm to 14 mm, a 72-tooth ratchet handle, screwdriver bits, a universal joint, a drill adapter, and a 3-inch extension bar, all organized in a durable storage case. Constructed from heat-treated, drop-forged CRV steel with a black phosphate finish, the sockets and ratchet deliver strength and corrosion resistance. S2 alloy steel bits add superior hardness for demanding applications. The 6-point socket design increases contact with fasteners, reducing wear and preventing rounding. High visibility. Permanent size markings on each socket and bit improve efficiency, even in low-light conditions. Compact dimensions and a blow-molded case make the set easy to carry and store, ideal for home use or portable repair kits. Reliability, durability, and thoughtful design establish this set as a practical addition to any toolkit.